So these are Pleaser's KISS-208s in this clear Smokey heel in a 6-inch. I look forward to doing them for you today. Keep an eye out, watch my review, let me know what you think. Hi everyone, it's Catie here with Shoes of Hollywood. Today we'll be looking at some beautiful pleasers. I know you guys have been requesting them. These ones are in the red box this time, and they are actually the KISS-208 just here. You can see there's the code. And you actually see these ones are a size 6. Now I know I'm a size 7, but these ones are a little bit of a different style, so I'm going to be trying the 6s today. And they had them in the shop, so I thought, why not? Let's just do them. So we're going to do it together because I've not actually tried the 6s yet before. But they do have the beautiful cloth bag packaging just here. And these ones are actually well, they're a clear. You can see through the bottom part. You can see, I can see you, hello. But they're actually tinted and they refer to it as Smokey. So these are a Smokey Kiss. You can see that they've got the little platform at the bottom and the heel at the back. And then the nice soft bottom as well, just there with the clear top, my favourite. So I'm excited to do them because clear tops are super comfortable for me and they mould perfectly to my foot. So I'm going to pop them on. They look super little, baby heels again. But they do have the little clip just here, so I'll just pop the shoe on. And you'll see after time, they will mold perfectly to my foot. So I'll do up this little buckle. Just there. Perfect. And then I'll do the other one as well. So I'll undo this part. And then here as well. And pop this one on. Here we go. And this one is brand spanking new, so I'll just do up the little buckle. Sometimes I pop it just there. And you'll see these are the Kiss. So I feel really little, and the way that the Kiss style is, it's almost like you can go a bit forward, so just be careful, but they're only little, so I'm excited. How cute are they? And remember, these are the 6 rather than the 7, but they're still very comfortable on my foot. You guys can have a look. It's almost like it's a perfect size. Now, I'll give you guys a little bit of a side view just so you can see the smokiness. So come on over. How cute are they? They go with my outfit. Come and have a look at this side as well. So you can see the little clip, the soft heel, and then of course the platform at the bottom. But it is such a warm day, so come on outside and we'll take you for a stroll in the sunlight so you can see these shoes in action. What a hot day. It's almost midday here. It feels like I'm going to become like a boiled egg. At least there's a breeze. It's not the coolest breeze, but at least it's a breeze. What do you guys think? Come and have a look. Have a closer look. I think they're pretty comfortable. See, it sparkles on the ground a little bit, the reflection. Oh. And look, the car park is empty. What's happened to everybody? Lucky thing's probably on holidays. Oh well, almost time for my holiday. What's the weather like where you guys are? Leave me a comment, let me know. I love reading through them. What do you think? I'm back into the lovely cold aircon in the shop. Now guys, don't forget also to like and subscribe to the channel. Click on the little bell in the corner, you'll be notified every time we post a video, and don't forget our community page as well. So jump on to Shoes of Hollywood YouTube community page and you can see all the behind the scenes as well as all the girls on Instagram, so keep an eye out. And what we'll do is we'll also leave a link in the description for these ones, which are the KISS-208s. Let me check. Yes, definitely the KISS-208s, okay? So if you do want to buy them, jump in the link and click on it. And I'll take these off. How cute are they? And also don't forget, there's only 7mm between sizes, millimeter between sizes. So if you are worried that the shoe's going to be a bit big, it's only 7mm and you can go down to the next one. Okay guys, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!